Hey, it's me again. I've been trying some different oils just because they were at Walmart, and I can tell you a little about them. Avocado oil, 100% pure. The peanut oil. I've already dumped ferrofluid in this peanut oil, shake it up, and then throw a magnet in. Let the magnet collect all the big stuff, and what's left in the top is a ferrofluid. Liquid. Ferro liquid. So that's the peanut oil. What was in the top was a disaster. That 4 ounces shattered when these two magnets decided they wanted to be together, and I got cut because I was holding that. This was right after I recorded my video, and so that was the one I did the other day with the peanut oil in it. That made a huge mess everywhere. I've also managed to launch these cuvettes. I set them on magnets, and there goes some now. Why not spill more? I set them on magnets, and then I accidentally reach over with a magnet in my hand, and these things go sailing, spinning, dumping oil everywhere, and it's not too fun. These are the oils I've been testing. So this one was avocado. This was peanut oil. This one didn't mix at all. It was French vanilla. I just had to try it in case I spilled it. My experiments would smell good. It wasn't even oil based at all. This one is grapeseed oil, and I think it has some good promise. Look at the color of that. So I'm going to try get some more grapeseed oil and try that. But I got a full bottle down there. Full bottle. So, and then this one was, oh yeah, what I'm using now is coconut oil. It was the clearest liquid I found. And that's what's in here right now. But it's really dark because I over added too much ferrofluid, but it still works, so I'm going to show you this one. So this is coconut oil, crystal clear coconut oil with ferrofluid, and I'm going to move it over to, let's see here. That's a happy doggy. He's waiting to walk. Oh, I've got a Renault LED headlight, fan cool, and I'm going to put this liquid in front of it and turn up this incredibly intensely bright headlight, and then we'll wiggle the magnet around. It's even with a bright light, it shows up, but it's kind of hard to see. But see if I can turn it up more. So that's with a Renault headlight. It takes a lot. So let me shut that off. So this is really dark liquid though. Another dog. What I've got is I have a laser line right here, and so it's gonna bisect the bottle. Let me hit some lights. So Now this is the magnet passing through the laser line. That's one side. Here's the other side. So coherent light seems to be perfect for a coherent field. So I'm guessing multiple laser lines will make it nice. Scan this line maybe. But once you have light everywhere, it just kind of disperses in the liquid, and so this is a coconut oil. So I'm sure any oil will work. Talk to you later. Bye.